everyone, and welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be doing some really cute light pink nails with some hearts. This color is called Fingers Crossed from Double Dip Nails, and as usual it will be in the description box for you to check out, honey. And if you want to save some coins, my code will also be down there for your use if you want to save some money. So you're gonna see me use like small beads on this nail because pinkies are my fear. They're so small, I don't want the acrylic running everywhere, so like I'll use smaller beads on the pinky. Like I don't use big beads anyway, but like I make sure they're small for the pinky because it's such a small area and I don't want to mess up. Like I don't want acrylic running everywhere. That is my fear. That's like the only thing I fear, is like putting a whole bunch of acrylic on the pinky and then it just run everywhere. we decided to go in and add some hearts on a couple of the nails. I think it's just the ring finger and the thumb on this hand, and then we'll swap it out on the other hand. Or is it the same? It might be the same. Either we swapped it or we kept it the same, but we only did it on 2 nails on each hand. So I went ahead and finished the ring finger and capped it, and now I'm going in on the thumb and capping it as well. And I think on the other hand I'll actually show you from start to finish, because yeah, I don't know what happened. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what happened, but this is such a freaking cute look. Like, I love this. The little hearts, it's like red. What is it? We did red and silver, and then you'll see that I accidentally got an orange one in there. I think in the packaging, like, it was mixed up, so like it had red and orange, and then I accidentally put an orange one in there, so we had to cover that up with like a black and a white heart. But all in all, everything pulled together well. I liked it, she liked it. I went ahead and did all of my finish filing off of camera, so now we're just going in with top coat. And I like to use the Valentino top coat, or either I have some of the 𝐼𝐍𝐿 Beauty top coat, but I like the Valentino better. But as you can see, like on the ring finger, I added the white heart and the black heart to cover up that orange, because the orange was not supposed to be there. I don't know how it got there. We're not going to discuss it, but we fixed it. She's still cute. So this is the finished outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love them. I think they came out really cute. Like, I like simple stuff sometimes, and this is like simple but still cute. But I'll be back soon with another video. I hope you guys stay blessed and stay safe.